Dealing with yard debris can feel like a battle against nature itself. You think you're finished, you've cleared the patio, but then you spot that stubborn pile of wet leaves or that patch of compacted dirt. It's exhausting, and frankly, it's a recurring chore that nobody wants to tackle. When I first started tackling my yard cleanup a few months ago, I was relying on a combination of old rakes and sheer elbow grease. The physical labor was brutal. My forearms were aching after just an hour, and the effort didn't seem to match the results. I kept finding those deep clumps of dirt that just wouldn't budge, forcing me to stop and manually pry things apart. The whole process felt inefficient, like I was fighting the landscape instead of managing it. I needed something that offered serious power without making me feel like I ran a marathon. After doing some deep research, I found this RYOBI blower. What struck me immediately was the jet fan design. It doesn't just blow, it really moves the material. The variable speed trigger is a major discovery. It gives you precise control, letting you feather the power when you need to move delicate leaves versus blasting through thick mulch. It's surprisingly light, only 6 pounds, which makes continuous use manageable. I also appreciated the included debris scraper. It's a simple addition that makes loosening stubborn dirt much easier. And the hanging hook is a small detail, but it makes storage so much more convenient. When I compared this setup to some of the premium brands out there, which often command prices north of $250, the fact that this unit delivers such robust performance for $59.99 is remarkable. If I had to point out one minor drawback, it's that while the power is great, the included battery charger feels a little basic compared to the unit itself. Picture this, Saturday morning. The air is crisp, smelling faintly of damp earth and fresh-cut grass. You've finished your coffee, and the sun is just starting to warm the patio. You pick up the blower, point it at the edge of the lawn, and watch the accumulated debris lift into a controlled, clean curtain of air. The entire area is clear in minutes, and the sound is powerful but not overly jarring. Amazon prices on this model are moving constantly. I have placed the link below so you can check if the current discount is still live.